Hey guys, what's going on? It's Riley here with Canadian Dividend Investing, and welcome to episode 40 of my Wealthsimple Trade Challenge, where we try to grow our portfolio to $25,000 in the first 2 years of investing. And as you can see, this week's a little bit better of a week. If we go to the day, we're down about $30. Last month, we're actually up about $700 or 5% in the portfolio. Past year, we're still down a little bit, 1.69% or $250, but all time, we're actually back up to 2.71% or $384 all time. So a little bit of an increase in stocks, which is great. Again, we're going to take this time. Stocks are still down. The recession's still glooming. We're still going to keep dollar cost averaging into some of our main stock holdings. So as we scroll down here, I'm going to invest in a couple different companies today. The first one being BCE, so Bell Canada. It's a great company, telecommunications company in Ottawa, or in Canada, sorry. The yield is 5.64%. We're going to buy 3 shares of this. Again, deposited about $400 into the account. Had a nice healthy dividend month again, which is about $50 or so. So we're going to start off by buying 3 shares of BCE. Next, what we're going to do is scroll down here a little bit. I want to continue increasing my position in POW. The stock is still down about 7% from when I first bought it. So it's a great time to buy back in. We're going to try to buy about 4 shares of this today. So 3 shares of BCE, 4 shares of POW, and then hopefully we have 1 share or so, or $100 left to invest in QQC.F. This follows the NASDAQ 100 index, and hopefully we have enough to buy 1 share of this, which we do. Perfect. Last share of QQC.F. So nice, easy, straightforward buys today. Again, we bought 3 shares of BCE, 4 shares of POW, and 1 share of QQC.F. So portfolio is up a little bit. We'll see what happens in the next couple weeks or so. Continue to watch the update videos. Again, like I said in the last video, we're going to slowly increase that amount we're depositing every 2 weeks. That should be coming soon, and we'll go from there. So if you guys haven't already, links in the description for both Shakepay and Wealthsimple Trade. You get a little bit of a referral bonus, as well as I do, if you sign up for the platforms, and we'll do another update in about 2 weeks or so. I hope you guys are doing great. Hope you keep investing in stocks, and I'll talk to you soon.